Hi, in this video I will show you how to put Instagram link on your TikTok. So if you are seeing different famous TikToker profiles, they use their Instagram link on their profile. So now you can also do it. Simply open your TikTok mobile application, but before this you have to open your Instagram and copy the link of your Instagram, and after that you have to click on the me on the Instagram, and now you have to click on the edit profile from here, and you will see two options on the bottom, Instagram and the YouTube. Click on the Instagram, and once your page will be loaded, you have to paste the one link you have copied from your Instagram profile. So in this way you can put your link on the TikTok profile of your Instagram. So this is the simplest way, anyone can do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.